having a snowstorm right now. There's the bus. Bye-bye, bus. Let's go see where is my bathtub right there. There's my bathtub, and the roads are all white, so you can't see the road. And
I can't see the road.
no, you can't see the road. Let's go find Daddy's car. Where's Daddy's car?
Daddy's car.
Oh, it's right there.
I
It's
see
all
it.
covered with snow. And
I
Daddy's
see
car
it.
is by itself.
I see it.
And you can see our front yard. It's all covered with snow. It's right there. What's that? That's Daddy's barbecue. It looks like I don't know.
A snow monster.
A snow monster. That's how it looks like, a snow monster.
And can you see that one? That's my mouth.